Hello, my name is Nazi Purvej, and now the topic is the building blocks of the IP telephony. IP telephony, which is also called as VoIP or voice over IP telephone, where it is used in the companies to call. It is used in the companies to call each other by using internet protocols. Here, this is the abstract of this particular IP protocol. This is called as ITX IP protocol, which is developed by Java, programming language. So then it is a high level API. It is a high level API which is used to create a prototype, which is developed by Cornell University, in which it is similar to voice over protocol. Where here it uses something called as HT23 and session initiating protocol, which is using signaling protocol of the internet telephone. And here something there is called as the real-time transport protocol, which allows the transport of sound data usually over data packets. And here the IP telephony, there are so many. This is something similar to IP protocol. This is the ITX1. Where we can use phone or conference phone or laptop, anything, to call each other through our internet. And this is the current. There are so many different telephone APIs which is currently work. And in India, it is the Chai Time system. It is also a Chai Time system. It is similar to ITX project. It is been developed. So, and this is the ITX architecture, where the ITX architecture uses many building blocks, where the system uses the data control gateway and many small components to set the projects. There are 4 different. This allows the large components where it is distributed into 4 Java packages. Here the ITX project is differentiated using 4 Java packages, which are signaling, data exchange, and directory service, and gateway. And this is the block diagram. This is the block diagram of it, where the ITX application uses the control and it is used to date, and it is this is the block diagram. And this is the block diagram where the ITX application has the control, data, and directory, where it controls the first IT application uses these 3 blocks to call to other ITX application computer. Here the performance of the ITX application is very very useful. Here the latency is only 50 to 250 milliseconds, but before VoIP has 150 to 600 milliseconds time delay. And in this, here there are we can drop on to subsequent 100 to 1000 nodes of calling. And here the ITX servers can even store the recordings. And before that, we have to know what is an example. Here we can develop the ITX used applications to develop an app where we are going to use something similar to make something similar to the voice recorder. There are something similar to the voice recorder, where we can use something called as on invite in Java to make it. Here it uses the accept and decline protocol to make it. Here there are three packages. As I said, there are three packages in this ITX protocol, where this is signaling, data exchange, directory service, and gateway. Here we can't do anything about the data exchange and directory service. We can use signaling. We can't do anything about signaling or gateway. We can use data exchange and directory service. We can change them both. So by using data exchange, we can make by using data exchange we can convert the data exchange packets to voice recorder, where it stores in voice is stored in database, and the database we can accept it. We can take the voice or data. We can take the voice or messages from the database, and we can scale it up, and we can even scale it up. So we can take the voice and we can even scale it up. And in this particular example, there are so many different ways to do it, but we have chosen this way. So and the scalability is that we can use n number of computers to talk to each other through Unix systems. It is now developed for the Unix systems only, where we can also use something called as Java Sound to store the recordings. And that's it. Thank you.